How to make money with 1 ounce fine gold. Golden coins often gain value at a swifter rate than gold bars because they have a limited mintage. Golden bullion are mined constantly all through the world, which increases the supply offsetting demand, which can result in reduced price gains. Golden coins gain in value since investors want investments that are not reportable. Golden broker firms aren't required by law to report increases you go through to the IRS the way that your stockbroker organization or financial institution are mandatory. Since we cannot tell you not to pay your tax on the gains, we recommend you tell your accountant. Gold is golden. Gold coins are a pure type of convenient wealth. You can take your gold coins anywhere on the planet and sell them. Gold is the ultimate investment. It is the purest form of cash and the oldest, most durable wealth-securing asset on Earth. Governments cannot devalue it. It has no debts, no board of directors, no politicians or central bankers that can interfere with its price. That's why gold has lived through every economy history has ever witnessed and preserved buyers' purchasing strength over a span of some 5,000 years. Gold American Eagles are mass-produced bullion coins. The price of these golden bullion coins is joined to the golden price. The price of golden fluctuates, moving up and down like a heart monitor. This instability in the price is absolutely connected to investors that buy and sell and purchase and sell in an effort to take advantage of the price shakiness. Under the Executive Order of 1933 issued by FDR, golden bullion coins are liable to be confiscated by the U.S. government in times of nationwide predicament. Gold American Eagles are immediately liquid. The American Mint, purposely keeping retirement accounts in mind, designed gold-proof American Eagle coins. Proof gold has a limited supplies. Every year only a limited number of gold-proof coins are minted, resulting in a rarity that can make them outperform the standard bullion American Eagles by 112 to 2 times. Every proof American Eagle is brought to your storage facility with its individual official U.S. Mint certificate of authenticity. These gold coins have United States government backing, which, akin to the dollar, means they are recognized and accepted in major investment markets around the world. This gold is also instantaneously liquid.